When I saw you that day, smiling while sun glazes through your eyes, I instantly fell for you. Your presence makes me happy, and I can't imagine myself not wanting to be with you all the time. Baby, I love you. I love you more than you can possibly imagine. I never want to lose the warmth of your hug and that beautiful smile. You are all that I care about. You are my reason to live and kill for. Thank you, darling, for simply existing in my broken life. Thank you for making me human again. I love you, and I'll never get bored of saying this to you ever.